So it happened that we actually saw the one and the only Iko Taro. So yeah, I just wanna say it's like what a great debut for Iko Taro, even though he didn't score like the other strikers, which like Mabafiga, the first appearance, first goal level, but he actually had like a great game. He that guy is definitely quality available. He's not the type of a guy that will lose a ball available. Yeah, was good to control. He's good on the foot, and he kicks with both of his foot, which was why maybe he was actually seeming more of like striking a skill at some certain point available. So yeah, I'm just interested to see the guy who's like especially in this season. But so far, I thought so far it was the best striker because of like a ball controlling available. But after what I saw Kotaro did today, hey man, but I'm not saying it's like he's better than like Omar, but it is just different profiles. Omar is I think only factor which like also like who is the winger and stuff, so kuba ile nto leyo and then like Kikora is just like a striker available mjita. So yeah, and une present available in like the box, but we didn't see like an opportunity which like actually like an opportunity really today because of the way we were playing. It was like just like a B team and stuff, because we were focusing on the match level, a CAF, and like it is the big trophy available. Prioritizwayo vele yabo yona ne-league vele kuba vele ama-trophies a-prioritizwayo kakhulu, but like i-CAF more because we are on a critical stage. So yeah, I'm still waiting to see more of the guy, but will he start on Saturday? I don't know, but he'll be a great addition. Thank you.